Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Hacking with Ken. So basically this is day 2 in cryptography and Python, and in day 1 we did the encodings of the bases like base 64, base 16, base 85. So today we're going to do decodings of them, but there has well, let's say change of plans, because if I'm gonna do all the in decodings one by one, it's gonna take a very long time. So what we're going to do here is I'm gonna design a program which will do the both encoding and decoding stuff. But I'm going to tell you that we will use the same method we used in encoding, but we're gonna replace, let me show you, let's say the x64, we're just gonna replace this, and not even this, we're just gonna replace this, this. What it's gonna do, it's gonna decode, we gonna sorry, it's not gonna, but if we replace decode instead of encode in this code, it will decode a base 64 string. So we are set up properly, and I'm just gonna fire up idle because I told you guys that Python has some problems with the indentation, and if because nano is not compatible for Python, of course, and we just have to do indentation ourselves, and sometimes I really mess up in indentation, so I think it's better if we leave it to the pros for now. So import base 64 first of all, and import base 58. So but there is this one thing, and I will run the code in the end. I will not run the code in middle of the video, but perhaps I will, but I will not. So make sure you follow these steps. I didn't write any of that on my notebook or anything. I'm just doing what comes in my mind. So we're gonna define a function named base 64, 64 for base 64 encoding and decoding. Now what this function might do, well, when we will make the main function and user will be given a menu that what base you wanna encode or decode, he will select by inputting a number, but that will be in main, and we are not making any main function now. So let's make base 64 encoding and decoding function. So first we're gonna do is I'm gonna name this 60 will input all int variables. And why we need to do that, because when a user select, let's say user selected base 64, but we don't want him to do encoding and decoding of the same string, of course. We want him to choose what you want to do, encode and decode. So what we're gonna do here, and why in int, because a user can always provide you strings. So basically we can't work with the strings, we need to work with the numbers for now, and so let's do that. So I'm just gonna say enter 1 for encode and 2 for decode. All right, and we're gonna put this here and this here, and this will complete it. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna say match, I guess, match 60, and this, if you don't know what match is, I'll recommend reading it before you actually do it. So if I forget, wait, I think I have to run this to make sure match works. So yeah, it's like switch, but a little bit different. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna do encode, first we're gonna take the input, hold your horses, Ken, and we're gonna take input in normal string, of course, enter string you want to encode. So basically this is just that. I forgot to put that here. So we are fine for right now, and then we're gonna say encoded underscore str equals base 64 dot b64 encode, and I'm just gonna say a dot encode the UTF-8 stuff. So then I'm gonna print it encoded underscore str dot decode, and then we're gonna decode back to the UTF-8. I put it the link in description. I put the link in description yesterday to for you guys to study what was ASCII and UTF-8. So what in which line we got the error? Yeah, I got that. And if we match its indentation, we're gonna need to match its indentation, then its indentation, and then maybe need a little tab. Yeah. And if there is no function calling, so we have to make a need to make sure we call a function 60 underscore 4, and there we go. So now function is called, we can run it. What error we got? Okay, we didn't get any error. Let's say 1. So enter string you want to encode hello, and there we go, we got our program. So now we got our program up and running, so we know if we do cases, so it will be okay. Why I'm not using if else stuff, you're probably wondering, because it's boring for me. If else, it's like I don't want to put 2 ifs in that. It's really messed up for me. If you are if else lover, please don't hate me, but I don't like the concept of putting 2 if and then elif and then else if stuff here. I don't really like it, so I'm just gonna stick with the cases because cases works perfectly fine for me, and I can do all the stuff with them, so I don't have to do like most of shit. So I'll probably work with that. So now for case 2, what case 2 will do, it's we're gonna take the input and we're just gonna copy the same code, but yeah, we're just gonna copy the same code, but instead of here we do decoded underscore str, and then I'm gonna do decode decode, and then I'm gonna do here is decode decoded underscore str. So just for my own peace of mind, I'm just gonna run it to make sure it's working, and to make sure that it works perfectly fine without any errors, because we need to solve these errors. And there we go. If we go for decode, wait, what? Oh, I think wait, I did I guess a little mistake here. Oh yeah, I should change that. Decode, of course. Yeah, my idiotic brain didn't think of it. So I think we're fired up for now, and let's do 2. Enter string you want to decode. We don't have any, sorry. Yeah, requires output, so I'm sorry about that. Sorry to waste your time. So I'm just gonna encode a string first, hello, and yeah, sorry about that. I'm just gonna copy that. You won't hear from me anymore. I'm just talking about the encoding. Yeah, and decode me this. Wait, what? A dot encode decode missing 1 position. Wait, what? Decode. Wait, what? In what line? UTF-8 cryptography.py track call. Yeah, what has happened here? So if we check it, maybe it's probably we did the same input. So a dot encode. Maybe if we change it, that will be great. So I'm just gonna do decode and this again, p.decode decoded underscore str, and requires positional argument. Wait, where does it require the optional argument? Decoded underscore, yeah, base 64 or b64 decode, of course. Oh, great. Oh, yeah, it's b64 decode. Sorry about that. So there we go, we solved the error, and there we go, we got hello. So I think it works perfectly fine. This is why I run the code, because I don't even trust myself sometimes. Well, mostly. So now what we're gonna do is we gonna make a base 16. Yeah, I just made it. I really don't know why I did that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna like 6. I don't know, I just wanna like make a variable to input some stuffs, and I just don't know good name for variables for input, to be honest. I didn't do any professional programming, but I did programming most for myself to make my task easier. So just the same stuff, and I'm just gonna copy paste it. I hope someone don't mind. I do not feel like criminal doing that. I really don't know why. Yeah, 6 equals and then match 6. I really like this match stuff, to be honest. I'm really starting to love it. Let's just do this, and you're probably thinking that, but yeah, you can do your own creativity. Of course, I'm not gonna teach you how to make a full functional encrypted or in this stuff, so you're just gonna have to learn something yourself. So I'm just gonna push them, and yeah, we gonna do here is we gonna do b16. So this will be b16, and there we go, our first case is complete. And yeah, I don't know where to start. Yeah, so this will be our decoded stuff, I guess. Wait, let me put the indentation again. Yeah, there we go. And I think they are not in the same line. Wait, wait, my friend. Wait, it's 2 tab spaces, and then I don't think it's under right indentation, but yeah, I guess if you want to do that, well, we'll check it in main. If there is some case with the indentation, then I'm gonna write code myself, so no worries. So well, our 16 is ready, and the only thing we're gonna change here is b16, so it will do in base 16. So now I think we gonna do the base 32. So I'm gonna define a function def 30 underscore 2, and there we go, we have base 32 function here. Then I'm gonna say 30 equals, and then the same stuff, enter 1 for encode, enter 2 for encode. So 30 equals this, and then I think I think I should no, I'm not gonna copy paste it. I'm already suspicious about my own code for now, so I'm just gonna write my own. So yeah, write my own, give me surety that I'm not making any mistakes. So input, enter string you want to encode. Wait, what's new line in stripped? Alright, I don't even care now about that. Encoded underscore str is equal to base 64 dot b, this is 32, right? B32 encode, and Okay, I lost track a little bit, and I'm very thirsty right now. So there is UTF-8, and there we go. And then we're gonna print. Yeah, we want to show that. So encoded underscore str dot decode, and then we're gonna do UTF-8, and there we go. Now let's do the other case 2, and wait, what? Case 2, wait, no, it shouldn't give me here, should give me right here. But why not? I mean, alright, let's just do copy pasting again. If we get any intended error, there'll be hell to pay, to be honest, and I'll be dead. Case 2, and there we go. So I think there won't be any problems. So yeah, what we wanna do here is we wanna do B32. So I think we imported base 64 and base 58, and we made 3 bases. So I think only 2 or 1 more to go. Okay, we did base 32, base 16, base 64, and now I guess what remains is base 58 and base 85. We're gonna do base 85 and last, then we're gonna do 58. So 50 underscore 8. And yeah, just a reminder, you won't get this program on GitHub or any of that because I won't upload it. I want you to make the program yourself, but if you are master of the patience, then you can get the whole program with the encryption and decryption stuff on GitHub. So let's check your patience. So if you are patient, we'll see about that. So match 50, and there we go. Case 1 will be our a is equal to input, enter your string. Yeah, if you are getting bored, enter string you want to encode, enter string you want to encode. Yeah, as I was saying, if you are getting bored, then you can skip chapters and go to the fun part, but I won't recommend it. Why not? Because I want you to see how this coding works, and I just don't want you to copy paste some stuff. So instead of base 64 here, we're gonna do B58 encode, and I'm really I'm really happy that Python has library stuff. But yeah, since we're on that, sometimes I hate Python and love it at the same time. The reason is that the libraries can help you do a lot of stuff, like it saves a lot of coding, but at the same time Python is mostly dependent on libraries. So yeah, that's the thing I hate about it, because I don't want to get dependent on the libraries sometimes. Enter string you want to decode. So yeah, I mean, if you look at the data analysis, you can do data analysis with pandas and numpy and stuff, but it's fun doing the shit by yourself. So I really sometimes just hate it and just sometimes just love it at the same time. So can't really blame it, to be honest. B.decode. Oh yeah, B.encode, sorry, it's in UTF-8. You could do ASCII if you like, but I won't go for ASCII myself because I like the UTF-8. So decode into UTF-8, and there we go. Now I guess what remains is the base 85, but why I'm not doing that is because I forgot the code of base 85. So I'm just gonna do ls, and wait, we done the base 16, right? We done base 32, base 64. Well, we made a lot of progress. So cat u85. So I was just well, watching this like A85 encode and then A85 decode. So yeah, and just that. So yeah, let's do the 85 def and yeah, you don't want to make mistake of giving your function the capital letters. It's really the worst mistake you can give. 80 is equal to int. Why don't we just copy and paste it? I easy copy and paste it for a reason. 80. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna make a case 1, which is all the stuff we need. So right now, let's just fire it up and enter. Oh my god, I forgot this. Am I stupid? The string you want to encode. Yeah, after day of bumming out and teaching, well, I think it's reasonable to get bummed out and look like an idiot. Well, yeah, A85 A85 encode, I guess, if I remember correctly. If not, we're just gonna encode and decode all that. So, and that's not really a problem because I love errors in Python, especially. It makes me want to kill myself sometimes. Yeah, mostly errors in programming makes you want to kill yourself sometimes. Because some errors are just so illogical, you can't figure out what's causing them. So it's really sometimes pain in the ass, to be honest. So yeah, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do the same stuff. Enter string you want to decode, the string you want to decode, and there we go. And in decoded underscore str equals base 64 dot a85 decode. I'm just making sure I put decode and encode everywhere. So encode utf-8. I already said I'll run the program. In the end, if you see any errors, so correct yours, so you won't get my errors. I don't want you to get my errors, because when you get my errors, well, you won't be able to solve it. So okay, we are done with all the main functions. Now it's time for the useless function. Of course, not the useless function, of course, but the main and most important function in our program. So let's call it main, and there we go. First, I'm going to wait, that's not the print stuff. Now print, and I'm gonna say welcome to the internet. Welcome to base machine. Here you will find amazing stuff. 1 base 64, 2 base 80, base 16 was it, I guess, 3 base 32, 4 base 85 and base 58, and 5 base 85. So yeah, and use numeric keys. So yeah, then we gonna close it, and there we go. Then we gonna input it, and I'm gonna say it base, no, b b okay, bas, base. Okay, input, yeah, we gonna take input in int. So enter enter number, and there we go. Then we gonna do this math stuff again, but now if case 1, then what we're gonna do is we did case 1 in 64, so we gonna call 60 underscore 4, and there we go. If it's case 2, what's in case 2? It's base 16, so 16 is it? And there we go. Here we go again, and there we case 3. Case 3 is base 32. Sorry, I think I'm not used to this idle, to be honest. 58, 32, 58. Okay, 30 underscore 2. Okay, case 4. Wait, where are you going? 50 underscore 8. Okay, when we run the program, prepare for errors. So wait, no. Okay, wait, where did my mouse go? All right, there it is. And case 5 is 80 underscore 5, was it? I forgot. 80 underscore 5. So well, I think that should do it. So I'm hoping to run and get a lot of errors. So wait, it didn't work. Wait, what? It didn't work. Invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. No, I didn't forget any. Why? Print encoded str underscore str dot decode. It's in 32, not 16 or anything. Wait, what? Print encoded underscore str. Wait, why it's giving the error in the third function? Why not in other stuff? 32 encode, a dot encode, and encode underscore str. No, p32 encode. I wrote that function myself, I guess. Math 30, and then here we go. str.decode. Then it's decoding and stuff. Okay, b32 decode, b32 encode, a.encode. I think the code is correct. Wait, let me just cut the whole function here for, and yeah, there is another error. Okay, another error. Yeah, I can solve that. So if we run the code again, yeah, now we got it. But what's wrong with this? I still can't get it. What's wrong with this code? It's perfect. Print encoded underscore str dot decode. I really don't see the problem. What the hell? So encoded underscore str. Let's run it again, probably. All right, we got an error message. Okay, my friend, sorry about that. It was just simple error. Could happen to anybody. Yeah, if anybody named Ken, right? Wait, what? Enter a number, but we didn't get this stuff. Why we didn't get this stuff? Premium. Yeah, we should have gotten this stuff. Wait, let me just do it. See, there we go, and yeah, it should have worked. print and then do this stuff. Should have worked, because we want user to see that, of course. So well, wait, I have a better idea. Let's just put that in, not in main, of course, but yeah, I am a dumbass because I didn't executed the main function. So there we go, we all set here. And I don't really blame you guys if you wanna just go ahead and curse me, because I made a terrible mistake now. But still, why I'm not getting it? Enter 1 for encode and decode. So, but I don't know what I'm doing it. So wait, print that and or that. But let's just print it over here, and let's see if this works. Print this stuff, this shit. Okay, where we got the error? The intended block. Oh my god, the intended block, of course. And then there we go, all the cases. Man, no, this is hell. Then I'm gonna just tab 1, I guess, and just push it to tab, That's why I hate Python. I don't really hate Python, I love it kinda, but this is why sometimes it's pain in the ass. So there we go, I hope it should work right now and it should not give us any problem anymore. So yeah, finally that worked. So if we want to do welcome to base machine, here you'll find amazing stuff. Use numeric keys, and if I tap 1, enter 1 for encode and 2 for decode. Well, I'm just gonna add a teeny tiny comment here, because we sometimes it can call the wrong function. So I just want to see that it's calling the right function. And what will I do here? I will put a bracket and say base 64, and for others I will do like oh no, wait, I will do like this is base 16, so I will do base 16. Yeah, this should give us like some what function we're in. So it will probably be cool. And now this is 32. So because sometimes Python's pain in the ass, as you saw that, or maybe I am that noob. So yeah, and I know video is getting pretty long, but I already told you guys you can skip the boring parts and get to the exciting stuff like this, which is solving the errors, by the way. And to be honest, to ruin your fantasy bubble, programming is not very easy as you think. It's harder than it looks. So yeah, if a person is doing a programming, so make sure you watch it. So it's worked with 1. Let's try the encoding, and I want to encode it in hello, and there we go. We got the hello. Now let's decode it. Yeah, I should have done the while function. So let's do the decode, and there we go, we got the hello. So we are all set. So what we can do is while 0 not equal to 1, I guess that, how was it? I don't really remember it very well. It's gonna run main again and again. So let's check it. Hello, enter a number 2, and I let's just put I wanna like run this again and again too, and this, yeah, I wanna run this again and again too. So what we can do here is we're gonna add another line, and yeah, I saw what the problem was. Maybe the problem is this, some space stuff, and let's check it. Can't hurt me for checking it. So okay, that was good. So let's just remove it from there, so you know it works perfectly fine. So yeah, now I think code is perfectly ready, and we can use it. And if I try 5, it's gonna call the base 85, and there we go. We gonna get and it's gonna call again, welcome to the base machine. So yeah, I think we done pretty good stuff here. We made the base encoding and decoding function. So that is the whole program, and I don't know how much lines, line 83 and line 85. So woohoo, rock on. And we did it just using 2 libraries. So you will get the whole code when all the encryption stuffs will be done. So I think that's enough for today. Video is already long enough. So bye bye guys, and take care. We will meet tomorrow with the encryptions like kenCypher, ROT13, and Morse code probably. So that's gonna be pretty much difficult, and cause beginner and other stuff are pretty much not very easy. So I think this is all for today, and tomorrow we'll meet in encryption. So bye guys, take care.